To change the engine oil and filter on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Begin by allowing the engine to cool down before draining the oil. Next, remove the 4 cargo box fasteners to access the vehicle's engine. Continue by cleaning the area around the oil fill cap and remove. After this, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Tip: placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Now clean the area around the oil drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Then, to gain access to the oil filter, remove both seats on 2-seat models or the rear passenger seats on 4-seat models by pulling up on the latch strap and pivot forward and upward to remove. Once complete, remove the rear access panel by removing the 4 quarter-turn latches and set aside. Next, clean the area around the oil filter and place shop rags under the filter to catch any spilled oil during removal. Now, using your hand or an oil filter wrench, turn the oil filter counterclockwise to remove. Then, using a clean dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase. Ensure the old filter O-ring is completely removed. Continue by lubricating the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and ensure the O-ring is in good condition. After this, install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface, and then turn it an additional 3/4 turn. Once complete, clean up any spilled oil and ensure that all shop rags are removed afterwards. Then reinstall the rear access panel. Next, reinstall the seats by aligning the front tabs under the retainer bar and pressing down in the rear to engage the latch. Continue by cleaning any dirt or debris from the drain plug and make sure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches. Now, remove the old sealing washer and install a new one on the drain plug. After this, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual oil off the vehicle. Once complete, add the proper amount of the recommended oil through the oil fill cap. Do not overfill. Then, reinstall the oil fill cap and wipe up any residual oil. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, stop the engine and allow the oil to drain back into the crankcase for 3 minutes. While waiting, inspect the vehicle for any leaks. Continue by moving to the rear right wheel well and remove the engine dipstick and wipe it with a clean cloth. Then reinstall the dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Once complete, reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. After this, reinstall the cargo box and torque fasteners to specification. Finally, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.